wish us luck.
Yes.
Because we're gonna need it.
Wish us luck while we get winter body ready.
Hey guys,
welcome to my channel.
Welcome back.
And if I do this, it's my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We are here with a new exciting series. We are doing a What I Eat in a Day to Lose Weight Fast series.
Yes.
Vegan version, obviously. I'm Plant Lana, and he is my...
Her knight in shining armor. The star of her YouTube channel.
He is my annoying husband. It's gonna be a 3-month series. We do not believe in diets. This will be a lifestyle change, so after the 3 months we will continue making healthier recipes. However, after 3 months, that's when we're going to show you our progress and our stats and all that. I'm sure you guys can relate, but we have gained so much weight. Like, an insane amount of weight.
So much. One day I stepped on the scale and it said 260 and I was like, what?
Yeah, and I am 5'3". I'm pretty short, but I eat as much as he does on a daily basis.
Like, our plate sizes are the same.
And I'll eat more.
Sometimes she'll finish it and I won't.
Yeah, maybe YouTube will keep us accountable.
You're gonna keep us accountable.
So we can't fail, hopefully.
No, and honestly I don't want to fail. Like, I'm actually sick and tired of eating the way we ate. Like, it was bad. Like, sometimes we'd go to the grocery store and Dea would come out with a new pizza and be like, oh!
You gotta get it!
Oh, I wonder what jalapeno cheddar tastes like. Guess what? It tastes like jalapeno cheddar. Like,
neither of us are licensed professionals, but I do believe that calorie restriction is important when you're wanting to lose some weight. I think for me it'll range between 1,200 to 1,500 calories a day, and he will be eating around 2,000 calories a day.
Like, we're more about eating a healthy, whole foods based diet now.
I don't think that I'm fat by any means, but I do want to lose a little bit of weight just so that I can start living my happiest and healthiest life.
Yes, and I mean, I don't think I need to lose weight either. I mean, like, you know, I'm pretty good. I'm pretty body happy, but I'm just doing this in solidarity with her. Just, you know, just to be like, hey, I'm there for you.
So in this video, I'm gonna go over 3 recipes for the week. You good? What happened?
It's burped.
Next week it'll be another three recipes to change things up, and we'll do this weekly for 3 months. At the end of this video, I'm gonna put a chronometer screenshot so you can see exactly where all our nutrients are, and I will go over those in detail with you so you can see how much we are actually getting in our diet. All recipes will be in the description box below. So let's eat some breakfast. Ew. Alright, so this is our first breakfast. We are intermittent.
Our first we get 2 breakfasts?
No.
What about second breakfast?
So this is our first meal of the day. We are intermittent fasting, so we just decided we wanted a smoothie to start the day off. By the way, we will be drinking glasses of water throughout the day as well, because water is really important. I am someone who does not drink water. In fact, I had an infected kidney stone last year. And
that was awful.
It wasn't fun,
no.
And it's because I don't drink water. There are days that I don't drink any water whatsoever. So my challenge to myself is to start drinking at least 1 liter to 2 liters of water a day. Why are you laughing?
Because, guys, I'm not kidding. This is her drinking water. Oh, that was refreshing. Look how much is gone.
Anyways, this is the smoothie. It's basically just a chocolate milk. That's what it tastes like.
It honestly tastes like chocolate milk, yeah.
And it is so good.
Amazing.
That's
oh my
delicious.
God. It's actually like the best smoothie.
It's light. It's got a lot of calcium because we're using some almond milk as the base. There's some frozen banana in there. There's some natural peanut butter. There's some cacao powder. And this is an important one, but this will not taste as good without some liquid stevia. Liquid stevia is a lifesaver. I know a lot of people have it and they're like, no, I don't like the aftertaste.
No aftertaste.
Yeah, there's no aftertaste here.
I'm one of those people that doesn't like the aftertaste of stevia. and no aftertaste.
In this smoothie, you don't taste it. All right, so we're gonna keep drinking this, and then we'll see you back here for lunch.
Lunchtime. All right, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Oh man, I'm so excited for this salad.
We're gonna be eating around 4 to 6 cups of spinach. So this,
4 to 6?
Yeah, 4 to 6. This is not our only bowl. We're probably gonna get another bowl after this. But yeah, as a vegan, we eat a lot. You get to eat more and way less.
You get to eat way more food.
Because it's not as calorie dense as like a piece of steak is probably 700 calories.
Yeah, like a piece of steak like this big is like 700 calories.
Yeah.
And
spinach, you can have so much spinach and all vegetables, and you're gonna have like maybe 200 calories if you have like a massive bowl. So if you're like me and you like to eat, like vegetables are the way to go. Put away the meat.
Yeah.
Save the animals, save the environment, and keep eating.
Yes, exactly.
So we've got lots of healthy fats. We've got some avocado, we've got some tahini, we've got some walnuts.
That smells good.
We got hemp hearts for protein and omega-3s and omega-6s. Are you okay?
Oh, it smells so good.
And we got blueberries. It's all tossed in with a beautiful balsamic vinaigrette that we made.
Wow, that's actually, that's amazing. That's so delicious. Look at that. Oh, man. It looks so good, too. Oh, man. Like, look at this. So good. This is unreal. This is amazing.
Thank you. This whole diet is for him, actually.
I don't need to lose weight.
We're going to finish this off, and then we'll see you back here for dinner.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep them. 'Cause I don't keep.
We are back for some dinner.
Yes.
So today we've got some buffalo chickpea lettuce wraps.
Look at this. My God. I love chickpeas. That's so good. And you can add some more of this sauce on there. Ooh. Up here, up here, up here. Oh, yeah.
So yeah, you want to make the ranch dressing. I will link it in the description box below. so good. I actually go really hard on it, and you can also add this to the salad that we had earlier for lunch.
Yeah, this is honestly, well, it's cashew based, right? Yeah.
Cashew based.
This thing is so good. This dressing is amazing. It's one of the best, if not the best, dressings I've ever had. Like dips, whatever, whatever. So good. Let's dig in.
Bon appetit. Oh no, it's cheers.
Ah. Undeep throat that.
Okay, good.
Ah.
Let's cheers.
You're gonna make a gif of me going ah. Ah. Oh. Why you always hit me when food tastes good?
I always want to hit you. This is amazing.
Amazing. It's unreal. It's honestly amazing. Like,
It's so good.
you did a great job. Like, my goodness. I think I feel skinnier already. Look at this. Look at this. Where did it go? Where'd the stomach go? Oh.
Look at how good that looks.
Amazing. Honestly amazing. Okay.
All right, so that wraps up our meal plan for the week. Next week we'll be back with another meal plan. Here's a screenshot of our chronometer so you can see what we've eaten. So, what are you doing?
It doesn't matter. You're gonna cover this with the chronometer thing anyway.
Well, I'm not yet. So this is it. So as you can see, we have hit all of our highlights for nutrients. We are a bit higher in protein. That is a misconception. Most people think that vegans don't get a lot of protein. First of all, you don't need that much protein. Second of all, we get more than enough.
It's the one thing that every vegan always hears. Where do you get protein from? Do you need to get protein?
If you see, the only thing that we're kind of low in is the iron, and it's not even that low. It's still fairly high. To get your vitamin B12 in, which is a lot of vegans are deficient in, you would have 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast a day. And what I did is I just put it in our cashew dressing. You can put it in your salad. It's really easy. It tastes nice. It's nutty. It's not a strong flavor.
Honestly,
at
yeah.
all.
You just sprinkle it into some dish that you're having that day. You don't even notice that it's there.
Yeah. Other than that, vitamin D, I usually do take a supplement, but sitting outside should be good enough. And yeah.
I'm excited. I'm excited for this journey. I'm excited to lose weight. I'm excited to look like this again. And I'm excited to...
Yeah.
I'm excited.
This will work because I've done it before. So straight up, I've lost 20 pounds before doing this. Eating 100% healthy. If you find that you haven't had enough calories because you're tracking it and you're still hungry, you need to just snack on some nuts and some fruits, something healthy. And that's what we do if we find that we're still hungry or if we haven't had enough calories in the day.
Carrots and hummus is my favorite snack.
Carrots and homemade hummus, yeah. All right, so we'll see you next week for another weight loss video, and hope you can join the journey with us.
Yes, and you'll be like, what? Who's that guy? That's not Serge. That's how much weight I'll lose.
You probably won't do that. All right, we'll see you next week for another video.
Make the most attractive face you can make. I said attractive. Thumbnail.